Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be doing fried fish with vegetable. So the first thing you want to do is wash your fish and scale it, cut off the fins, all that good stuff. I already got those done for me at the market. So I'm going to just go ahead and wash my fish with some vinegar to get away some of the rawness. After you wash your fish, you want to go ahead and get a napkin and dry your fish. This will allow it to not stick. If you guys didn't watch my live cook with me, you can go ahead and do so after you watch this video. If you watch it before, you'll see that it's the same setting because it's the same day. So the seasoning I'll be using is this Maggi season up fish seasoning. I'm also using the all-purpose seasoning and a little black pepper. So I'm just rolling my fish and making sure that the seasoning is all over. Now you want to go ahead and make sure your pot is hot. And yeah, so this you can see that I already used this pot because as I said before, it's the same day as the cook with me video that I filmed, the cook with me video. So guys, if you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and do so, and make sure you leave a comment down below. So my fish is almost finished. So now that my fish is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just remove it. I'm gonna put it on a napkin because I want to drain the oil out. And that's, look at my fish. Crispy. If you follow my technique, this is how your fish will look. So now let's get into the festival. So this is the festival mix I'm using. I'm not going to do it from scratch today. So this is the vegetables I'm using. I'm gonna just pour it in the container, and then after I do that, I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of water. To be on the safe side, I would use 1 cup. So this thing that I'm gonna use measure it's half. So you're gonna see I use 3 times. So 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm gonna just mix that around. The camera was not focusing at all. So I decided just using my hands because it's taking too long with the spoon. If the dough is not as firm as you like, you can go ahead and add some flour to it. But just a little bit though. But if it's like this, you can go ahead and just leave it, just sit a little, and it will come out as how it's supposed to be. Okay, so now you just want to take like just pinch pieces, small pieces, and then you want to just roll those as you see as what I'm doing right here. And make sure your pot is on so that the oil is hot enough. I'm doing this so it will be easier for me when it's time to just cook everything. because I already rolled them. I just put them in the pot. So this is how it's supposed to look. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in my oil. This is the same oil I used to fry my fish. I found that when you do it like this, it actually tastes like Elsha Elshire festivals. You should try it. So this is how it looks after it finished cooking. So I'm gonna just take it off, put it on some napkins to drain some of the oil. Remember to give me a like and also comment down below, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. So this is the end result. So that's my fried fish and my festival, and then I'm just going to add my mixture that I made. You can go ahead and check that video out. It's called Jamaican pickles, and I'll also put the link in the description box and above. So tell me what you think. I can smell the pepper through the phone. And this is what it looked like, and I'm gonna just top that off with my favorite wine ever. They came out with this new one for Easter. And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.